This na the Tecno Spark 7. This year, Tecno released them on April 16th, 2021. For this video, we go unbox and review the phone and see all the functions of the phone. The phone comes with this small packaging box of fine orange and blue color. The packaging box is small, unlike most other Tecno phones when their packaging box is bigger with blue and white color. I know say you won't see what is inside, but wait, before I open the box, just touch that subscribe button when they your screen under this video so that you go fit receive all our latest unboxing videos. As I open the box, now the phone be the first thing inside. And wait, who they design all this packaging for Tecno? I really want to make an employer. I feel like they waste the talent, energy and time working for Tecno when it will work for me. I like this packaging. The next thing inside the box na the warranty card. The back patch, part of am dey transparent and the other part dey semi-transparent. If na me go use this phone, I no go use the patch. The charger na be the next thing when follow. Then the earpiece come follow. Then the last thing when dey inside na the charging cable of USB 2.0 and the SIM injector. For front of the phone, you go see the quick specification when they write inside. The 216 megapixel camera for back, the screen na 6.5-inch dot notch, the battery capacity na 5000 mAh, it gets the smart snapshot feature and it dey support Bluetooth and audio share. If you look the body of the phone, it's not too heavy. You fit operate am with one hand and the screen protector already dey inside the screen. For the front of the phone, na only the camera and the earpiece place na you go fit see. For the right side corner, na there the volume key and the power key dem dey too. The left side corner only carry the SIM card tray, no other thing dey there. For top of the phone, nothing there at all. The bottom of the phone carry the earpiece jack, the charging port and the microphone hole. Then where the speaker come there? The back side of the phone carry two 16 megapixel cameras with 4 flashlights when they combine as one. The last thing for the back na the fingerprint sensor. So I turn the phone on and see myself for the home screen and I come dey try to find my way around. If you touch anything, it dey respond very fast. Well, every new phone dey respond very fast if you on am for the first time, so na normal. For the quick setting, you get the pick proof and even the one hand mode. I think say the phone is small for one hand to operate. The phone they run on Android 11 with HiOS version of 6.6. It dey support 4G network. The RAM na 2GB, the ROM na 32GB, the front camera na 8 megapixel and the CPU na 1.6 GHz octa-core. It get the normal privacy and security features, including the theft alert feature. For the theft alarm when follow the Spark 7 come, if you dey charge am and you plug am inside, somebody can remove the charger, maybe to thief the phone go start to dey shout, wow, thief oh, mona run come oh, they want thief me oh, wow. So far, the disappointing thing when I see about the phone na the camera. It dey take fine pictures and the videos too no bad. But when you zoom the video, you go lost many details inside them. The front camera try for selfie, but for video, na no-go area. If you want buy Android phone as gift give person, then try the Spark 7. The price of the phone na 55,000 naira. It no too cost. And no wonder I get small body like small pikin wey no dey see food shop. See if mosquito bite you for night na because you never subscribe to this channel. Free yourself from that pain. Come my brother ma tell you. Subscribe to this channel now. Hit that like button. Hit the notification button too so that mosquito no go bite you again.